this will be a monthly meetup. Just like BitDevs, there'll be a list of topics that we walk through. Anyone can contribute to these topics, so anyone can submit topics, and we'll also share these topics with Miami and any other city that wants to start one, just so we can help each other out. So I'm super excited for it. We've done some brainstorming about what we want to see in one of these meetups, and I thought we could talk about it in the show too to add to that. But
yeah,
I mean, there's some potential staples of just news from the past month. I mean, quite similar to this show actually, right? Yeah. So we can even draw content out of our of this show and pick the most interesting topics to discuss instead of just the three of us jamming on it. At one of these meetups, you're going to have 10, 20, maybe 50 people in the audience, and it's a Socratic seminar style. So it's not, even if the three of us are up in front as moderators, we're not dictating the conversation. We, in fact, our role as moderator is to get the audience to participate and share their ideas, their thoughts, ask questions, no questions too stupid. And so we'll definitely cover a bunch of topics. They could be related to design, product design, vibe coding tools, and any kind of new tools to build, product announcements or any kind of products that anyone's used or wants to talk about. Also things like legal or regulatory or tax or all those things that could impact products. Hopefully we don't talk about that too much, but if they do impact builders, we want to talk about it. So that's one component, but I think there's a lot of excitement around demos as well.
Yeah,
live demos.
Yeah.
So one concrete demo that I'd like to see happen, and I think we'll do it in the July session. Matt Velez recently vibe coded a Bitcoin tipping app using Lexi as the Bitcoin payment platform. He did it in 14 minutes.
Wow.
A working demo. He'd never used Lexi before.
That's sick.
So it literally took him 14 minutes. So having him or someone walk through a less than 15-minute demo showing the prompts, I think would be super valuable for the audience, because I think a lot of people might hear of DK or Matt or others exploits with vibe coding, but it's
exploits. You're a hacker now, vibe hacker.
But actually seeing the prompts is valuable, and some of us have been trying to get VO3 to produce amazing film scenes and stuff, and it can be a struggle initially. It's to make it look super awesome. So I think there's a large appetite for seeing prompts. So we could do that type of demo, but also 1 minute demos, just people showing what they've been building. I could imagine weaving in showcasing a startup each month or something, and maybe they get a 5-minute prezo or something like that. We can, whether it's 3 or 5 or 10 minutes or 1 or 2 or 3 a month. I don't know the right formula, but I think that would be super interesting. And because I expect to attract a lot more people from Silicon Valley to this event, because the other monthly events we have are very technical, very in the weeds.
Yeah.
This one, I think venture capitalists, engineers, executives in Silicon Valley,
product managers,
they don't even, product managers, designers, they don't even have to be, I'd say they don't even need to self-label themselves Bitcoiners.
Yeah.
Just simply Bitcoin curious. Frankly, even just vibe coding, building. Just if they're interested in building, I think this would be a good meetup.